I'm Carol.
I'm Matt.
I'm Roy. Work for Central City Concern, Special Project.
I'm on the Special Projects on the bike. I ride around, wait for calls, and I hit all the hot spots, do homeless camps.
Each morning I show up at our shop, I get the truck ready, clean up abandoned homeless camp. We do a sweep of the Burnside Bridge, cleaning up garbage, feces, urine, vomit. If there's feces, urine, vomit, or just plain old dirty platforms there on the bus mall down there, I pressure wash pretty much every day. And then the rest of the day I'm on calls for giant graffitis, shopping carts, abandoned homeless camps, and I pretty much do it all. It's my 8th year with Central City. I love my job. I love working for Central City. I'm proud to do what I do. I plan on doing it for another 8 years.
I clean up garbage, needles, feces, pee, garbage. My day consists of cleaning up and keeping the city clean. I'm very proud of my city. I'm a born Oregonian, and I'm very grateful for my job. And on a daily basis, I have people from the community thanking me for what I do, and that it's appreciated. And they couldn't imagine the city without us out here doing what we do.